it's MaoT and you're watching MaoT World. People, today we having the stack time coming at you. Say no more, people, that we'll be start grilling some nice steaks. And here you go. Here you go, people, we have nice pieces of steak ready to fry or to exactly grill, people. Say no more. There you go. We want the medium one, people. Arriba, time of truth. Oh, that people, this is what I call proper, nice, beautiful steak. Here you go, coming at you, say no more. That, thank you for watching, hopefully you enjoy, and peace, see you later.